Hello friends, welcome back. Friends, today I am here to discuss about what is matrix twin flame connection and whether you are in a matrix twin flame connection. I will give you some points you can match whether you are in a matrix twin flame connection and how to awaken this kind of twin if your partner is a matrix twin. So how to awaken this kind of twin to your relationship? It's because matrix twin is a very tough kind of relationship. So let us start what is matrix twin flame. In matrix twin flame, what happens? One person, mostly the chaser, who is the chaser, is very spiritual, or they get awakening at first. So you people are listening to this, definitely you have awakened first about this relationship. You know that this relationship is very special to you, and this person is very important to you, and you can't stay without this person, and that's why you're working so hard on yourself. You're doing inner work, this and that. So one person is very spiritual, but the other person who is running, the person you are chasing, the person your person who is running, your partner who is running, he is not very spiritual, maybe 10 or 20%, but not very spiritual. This kind of connection is called matrix twin flames condition. The other person who is running is very materialistic. This kind of twin remain unawakened for the longest time and ignore this connection because of their materialistic nature, because all they want is material thing, big house, big cars, or something lustful, 3 to 4 girlfriends. This kind of guys, or the person who is running, they are materialistic twin flame, or we can call it as matrix twin flame. Now let me tell you signs. What are one by one signs that you can compare your person if he or she is a matrix twin flame connection. If you are doing inner work, if you have started inner work and you are doing inner work for the longest time, and you are staying in high vibration, you are balanced your DM, masculine and feminine energies, and you don't miss your twin so much, but still your twin, your partner is not coming back or contacting you or not expressing their love, or they are not taking any action, and so your twin is unawakened, completely unawakened, and you are in matrix twin flame connection, because this kind of twin flames takes longest time to awaken, since they are very materialistic. Because of that, they take the longest time. Second sign, friends, is you have completed majority of your inner work and you still realize your twin flame is not valuing you at all, or not ready to commit, and still behaving in an unawakened manner, or they are more concentrating on their family, their career, or something, or different things. They are giving more importance to other things in life than you. Then also you are in a matrix twin flame connection. The third thing is that if your partner is attracted to other third person or karmic, or they are in multiple affairs, or they get attracted to opposite sex very soon, so such kind of persons are also matrix twin flames, because this kind of persons get confused between karmic and true soul connection, because they get same kind of feeling for karmic also. That's why, because of still they are unawakened, so they can't differentiate between you and the karmic, and because of that they go into multiple relationship, or they get attracted to other partners, because they have a karmic baggage also. Because of that also they get attracted. So you can say that this person is a materialistic kind of person, and you are in a matrix twin flame connection. Another point is, friend, that the twin is more materialistic, actually has material things also in life. Means your twin is financially very good and good business, or they have a good job, or they are doing very good in life, or maybe they are a celebrity or something like that. They have a good name in the society, and they have everything good, girlfriend or good boyfriend or good spouse, you can see. So they are already have good materialistic things in life, and they have very selfish nature, and they are more attached to self materialistic life or materialistic things. So such kind of twins also take a very long time to awaken, and you can say that you are in a matrix twin flame connection. It is very difficult to awaken such kind of twin, and you should ignore such twin for very much, because this kind of people take very long time, and it is very difficult for you to awaken this kind of person unless and until you have done a lot of inner work. Then only the universe is going to make an interference and are going to awaken this kind of twins. So you have to be very patient with this kind of persons, because the next point is the throat chakra of your materialistic twin is completely weak, you can say completely blocked, and they can't communicate frankly with their twin. Even if you are chasing and calling them, they can't talk to you because the throat chakra is completely blocked. They can't tolerate a high level of pain, and they get many soul shocks because of this only, because the throat chakra is completely blocked. When you are doing inner work, you have done a lot of inner work, and after that also they are not getting awakening. You can say that the throat chakra is blocked. Because of that, even if they get little bit of this clarity, yeah, this person is very special for me, then also they are not able to speak. So you can understand that the throat chakra is completely blocked. In this case, you have to work very hard on your throat chakra, and you have to balance your inner masculine and feminine energies very strongly. Then only you can awaken this kind of twins. Even if if this kind of materialistic twins have awakened, they are not able to express their love to your partner, because they themselves don't know why they are not able to express, because their throat chakra is blocked. That's why I'm telling you, if you have this kind of twin or your partner, you have to work very hard on your throat chakra. At least 20-25 minutes every day you have to activate your throat chakra for 1 to 2 months. Then only this kind of the twin will be able to speak or express their feelings to you. So work hard on your throat chakra. So now, how to awaken this kind of twin? Only universe can only take action on this kind of twin. They will give them a lot of soul shock, so that this twin gets awakened. When you are working so hard, you are doing so much inner work, you have done all, you have healed all your issues, you have balanced yourself, you are not missing your twin so much, and you are concentrating more on yourself, you are doing self love, then too this person is not coming towards you, then universe will interfere in this, and universe will give them soul shock, one shock after many, not only one, many soul shocks. Whatever thing they are materialistic about, the universe will start taking away those things from this person, unless and until this person completely gets awakened and realizes your love, that what is more important in life, not materialistic things. Pure love is more important, and at that time they will understand your true love. At that time they will realize how much this person loved me unconditionally, how much love you gave them, how patient you were with them. All these things they will realize at that time, when universe will give them soul shock. And second important thing, friends, you have to completely detach from this kind of materialistic twin. You don't have to send them any energy. Don't send them energy that you love them more, or you're waiting for them, or you're missing them. Such kind of twins, when they don't receive any energy from you, they feel very uncomfortable. They start feeling uncomfortable, and they get, again this thing gives them a soul shock. That time they will realize your love, कि yeah, this person is very important, why I'm missing this person so much, why this person is playing in my mind continuously. They can't sleep at night, they thinking so much about you when you don't give them energy, because they are surviving only because of your positive energy that you are continuously sending them by thinking a lot about them, or continuously chasing them. So don't chase them, don't give them energy, and don't think much about them. Concentrate more on yourself. So it is very important to give soul shock to this kind of twin flames. I hope you are getting to understand what I am trying to tell you. This person will definitely come back to you, because union is definitely meant to happen, because you both have to do some soul purpose. You have been sent on this earth to do something special for some special people, but for this you have to be very strict on yourself and with your twin, so that person gets awakened soon. So don't chase your person, and especially if you are in a matrix twin flame, you have to be very strict and don't give so much energy to your person, so that the person, by not giving energy to your person, you are only helping your person only, or you're shortening your journey. You can say that you will come in union very fast. If you are thinking continuously about your person and sending them energy and crying every day, you are delaying your journey, I will tell you. Oh friends, you got some idea what I'm trying to say, and you will follow the instructions. Thank you friends for listening to me. Thanks a lot.